Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade honey mustard sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. These simple components combine to create a delicious and versatile sauce that's perfect for many dishes. It's quick to prepare and tastes much better than store-bought versions. To elevate your honey mustard, let's add some key seasonings. Incorporate 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder for a savory kick. A dash of 1/4 teaspoon of paprika adds a subtle warmth and color. Finally, season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. These additions truly make the flavors pop. Now let's mix everything together. In a small bowl, combine the Dijon mustard, honey, apple cider vinegar, and olive oil. Whisk these liquid ingredients until they are well blended and smooth. Next, gradually add your garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Continue whisking until all the spices are fully incorporated, ensuring a consistent texture throughout the sauce. Once your honey mustard sauce is perfectly mixed, transfer it to an airtight container. For the best flavor, refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. This homemade sauce will stay fresh in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. It's fantastic with chicken tenders, as a salad dressing, or as a delicious dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.